Hi, this is Usma Hafiz. Welcome to my channel TSP Tech Series. Today I am going to tell you about a plant identification app. By using this app, you can find interesting information related to plants, flowers, weeds and trees. So let's see how to use this app. First, go to Play Store and right here, picture this app and click on install. As I already have installed this app, so I'm going to open it. Picture this app is capable of identifying 10,000 plus plant species with accuracy of 98% better than most human experts. If you can see, it has a very user-friendly interface. Plant care tips and water reminders are available, which help you better grow your lovely plants. You can keep track of all the plants. So let's see this tip, how to identify plants easily with picture this. If you can see, there are different tips on taking pictures. For example, number one tip is focus the plant at the center of the frame. You have to take the picture, it should not be blurry or dark picture. If the plant is too big, then you have to take only the leaf or the flower of the plant. Avoid getting too close. Just make sure the leaves or flowers are complete. Focus on the flower if your plant has flower. And if there are more than one species, then you have to include only one species at a time. So in this way, there are different instructions available. Now it's time to take a picture. Let's go to my garden and using picture this app, I'm going to take a picture. Okay, by clicking on this camera, take a picture of any plant. While shooting, make sure the subject is in focus. So after taking the picture, it will take some time to tell its description. If you can see, all the questions related to this tree. This is a mango tree, and you can get any question if you want to ask. You can read it from here. Interesting facts are also given here. So if you want to, after searching the information, if you want to share it with your friends or anyone, you can share it using Facebook, WhatsApp, or simple through text message. If you want to examine the sick part of the plant, then you have to click on this diagnose option. Here you have to upload a picture of the whole plant or the sick plant. I am going to select a picture that I already have saved and click on start diagnosing. Your plant looks healthy. It means no problem has been detected. Remember that this result is auto-diagnosed. If you want if you think that there is a problem with your plant, then you have to contact to your experts. For this, you have to upgrade your package, and in this service option, all the premium privileges are available. If you want to consult with some plant experts, or if you want to get a personalized care guide, then you have to upgrade premium package. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get update of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.